everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well, and hello, my name is Jess. If you are new here, welcome and thank you for clicking on my video. I am so happy to have you here and I hope you stick around. But in today's video we are cleaning my dirty fridge. Yes, it needs some help. In this video I only managed to get time to tackle the main section of my fridge and the fridge drawer thingamabob that we've got. I didn't get enough time to clean out my freezer, but it wasn't too bad. Anywho, I just will end up having to do that another day. But in the beginning of this video there that you would have just seen, I was cleaning off the counters. I had started this video before I had gone to work one day and ran out of time. So that afternoon I had to come back and give it a good clean again. So that is why there is an outfit change. But it had recently been my birthday. That is why there is one giant enormous leftover piece of cake in there. My mum had made me one hell of a cake and I only managed to eat a little bit and give a lot of it away, but I just couldn't get it finished, so it had to go. So the products that we're going to be using in this video are the Method All-Purpose Cleaner, this Earth Glass Cleaner, my Palmolive dishwashing soap, and a few cloths. So the first thing that I'm going to do is wipe down all the benches again so I have a nice clean surface to work with. Yes, there are some dishes in my sink. They just did not fit in the dishwasher and I just didn't have time to clean them before this video. That is #real-life. When you hold me, when you close, I know. The first place that I am going to tackle is this side of the fridge door that holds all of my condiments, I think it's called, but like your sauces and your salad dressings. So I'm going to tackle that first, get that side cleaned out. I sort of attacked this whole fridge in sections. So I started at the door, worked my way into the middle, and then cleaned up the other side, which wasn't that dirty, so it just got a bit of a wipe down, and then tackled the drawer, which was probably the worst section. So I only cleaned those two shelves. They get the absolute nastiest. That top shelf there was perfectly fine and I decided to leave it and just give it a wipe down. The reason why I left it though is because this fridge had just got given a deep clean not that long ago. So it was still quite clean and I didn't feel the need to wash it down again.
Work now, play later, but you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your love, can't slow me down. Don't go far. I take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are. Cause you shine bright like a shooting star. Everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something.
So now that side of the door was done, it was time to empty out everything from the center of the fridge and then tackle cleaning it out. Before putting everything back in the fridge, I do go through what's expired and what's not and what needs throwing out, because there's no point in putting nasty food back in the fridge.
I was knocked down, heard the countdown through the haze, in the face of defeat, yeah. I was ruled out with no bailout, on my own, all alone, left to bleed out. But I rose up from the ground, just like I was spellbound. All the odds were against me, so I picked up the pace, and now I'm in the race. Give me some space.
everything's out of the fridge, I'm going to give it a good wipe down with this Method cleaner. I might go over it again, and once I've done that, then I move on to tackling the drawers.
No, I'm about to explode. So I've been told that I should fold and give in. I can't win in this game, no. But you can hear me laughing. I'm the new thing in this field. You should kneel instead of me now. Yeah, I rose up from the dead.
So as you can see, this little space that's at the bottom of my fridge, oh look, I found a receipt in the back of my fridge. Who knows why that was in there, or how it got there, but as you can see, this little shelfie bit here gets so nasty because it just catches all of the bits and bobs, and at the moment the main thing that's on there is cake from taking it in and out of the fridge, but the dirt from the produce, everything just gets caught here. So we gotta clean that up.
Permission, no, I don't have to say I'm sorry. I ain't staying in the background, no, 'cause I don't need your worry. I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go. Like a bullet, won't take no bullshit. You should know. To explode. I told you every single time, don't you worry. You would always call me at the wrong time, so you can know what I was up to. Oh, don't you get that? It's just stupid. Hey, just hear me out. It's been a while since we were good.
Now that the drawers are all nice and clean, it's time to put back all of the produce and finally add them back into the fridge, and we are done in that section. Now it's time to move on to the side door and finally get to the last little section, which is this fridge freezer drawer.
I've been trapped, and I can't believe how you don't see it now.
we are finally done in the inside of the fridge. It's time to give the outside of this fridge a well needed wipe down. I have found that glass cleaner works absolutely freaking amazing on stainless steel. I do have stainless steel polish, but I just did not have the time to give this whole fridge a polish because you've got to clean it and then polish it. But I will get there one day. Just wasn't this day. But glass cleaner as an in the meantime thing works pretty amazing on stainless steel appliances. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found some motivation, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.